Really appreciate Pastor Alvin and his team na pagpunta dito bago natin sila mag-pray. Ito yung sabi natin, hindi tayo nag-meeting ng walang output. Hindi lang output kung hindi may deadline pa. At may naka-assign kung sino naka-assign. Sayang naman yung pagpunta natin dito. Most especially, andyan si Dr. Kernel.
As the collaboration of CCF ministries and programs which endeavors to obtain the shadow of God's love through good works to marginalized individuals, families, and communities for the glory of God. Our objectives are connecting with communities through good works, creating opportunities to serve the community, facilitating high-impact programs, mobilizing volunteers and other ministry partners, instilling critical values and Christ-likeness and discipleship through small groups. Uplift Cares specializes in educating youth and adults to help them become productive and responsible citizens who serve God and countrymen. CCF Ontario provides assistance and support to communities during times of disasters and calamities. Ontario is also engaged in values formation in various communities and providing shelter to selected homeless families.
Ang pagdating po ng CCF ay masabi ko pong isang napakalaking biyaya na binigay ng Diyos sa amin. Dahil po sa inyo naging matibay ang ating mga bahay.
Marketplace Ministry is an outreach ministry catering to the government sector and corporate sector respectively. It has two groups, which are GNIM and Workplace for Winners. GNIM reaches out to government officials or employees, particularly those in the PNP, AFP, DepEd, other government departments and agencies, and the LGUs for them to have a saving relationship with Jesus and to grow spiritually through bridging events like seminars, workshops, reading restore their families to God's kingdom through home visitation, gospel sharing, Bible studies, equipping, and mentoring.
Dahil po, sa kaibigan, lalo po, well, ministry, ang aking buhay, makilala ko po sila. Mabalik po ako sa gym para hindi lumakulit, hindi para share ng pagbabago sa aking buhay na tulong na ito ng Panginoon.
Community Next Gen is the latest initiative of CCFMI of 2023, especially designed to nurture the holistic development of children at their most formative stage.
And remotest parts of the earth. Notice, Jerusalem, Judea, Samaria, rest of the world. Diba? So we've been talking about missions. We've been talking like yung message ng Egyptian pastor. Diba? It's about what's happening in the Middle East. Pero many of us, okay, that's great. We should support global missions. Right? But, ano naman itong ating bansa? Ano naman itong mga communities natin, yung mga neighborhood natin, yung mga syudad natin? Diba? We need to also take care of them. Right? You know, recently, this group from Bohol, alam ba ninyo kung nasa ng Bohol? Pero bang Boholano rito? Wala? Okay. Bohol is an island, katabi ng city, sa Bisaya. Bisayan region. And they asked us to do a meditation. So, ano sila, passionate. Pero mga babae, mas passionate daw yung mga babae. Totoo ba yun? Anyway, so, sige, pinag-aralan namin. And then later on, we did this. Through life retreat. So, I think we had about 40 baptized, and many joined small group. Right? Kinausap ko sila. The last time CCF pastor was there was in 2012. So, by God's grace, we have been working on areas like Catanduanes, Bohol, na yung mga medyo hindi ganong nakasikaso. Kasi, let's face it, our pastors, our overseers, our COS, our teams are busy already. Doctors. Wow! Sarap naman ninyo, ano? Yung mga doktor dito on the way, yun ang dami na nakita mga hospital. Ano? So, there's this one doctor na he lived in the 19th century. And his name was David Livingstone. Okay, David Livingstone had a heart for missions. He had a heart for missions. He went to Africa. He was the first European to walk from coast to coast. No? And not only that, but he was also a writer. And he was one of those anti-slavery advocates. So ibig sabihin, dahil sa kanyang trabaho, kaya lumabas rin yung na-abolish din ang slavery. And ito ang sinabi niya. Sabi niya, I am a missionary, heart and soul. God had an only son, and he was a missionary physician. I am a poor imitation of him, or wish to be. In this service, I hope to live. In it, I wish to die. So, ano yung sabihin nun? Yung sabihin, ang kanyang buhay, binigay niya sa Panginoon. Yun na yung pinaka-focus niya for his whole life was to help the poor, the marginalized, the disadvantaged. In the case of Africa, slavery was so rampant. Diba? So, because ang puso ni Pastor Eddie, alam naman natin lahat, napaka talagang si Pastor Eddie, and I'm sure many of you here have compassion on him. nagsasalita. So, pasensya na pag medyo nawala sa edad. Dahil sa edad yan, dahil mag-66 na rin ako, sabi nila hindi raw mukhang 66. Totoo ba yun? Mukhang 65 lang. Anyway, so itong series natin ngayon is last month, itong July na to, before we celebrate the ating 40th anniversary. Can we give God the glory? This month, we're going to celebrate 40 years. Ang CCM, 40 years na. And I remember noong 1985,
sa tayo na nas. At susunod po ay si Sam Marilao. Ano ba si Sam Marilao? And then CCM San Jose del Monte. And that's po sa Rob A. CCM Santa Maria.
Galing ng asawa ko, talagang
Ako natutulog na akin. Maliwag ka ba natuan? Malonas pa rin. Kabisado ko kayo. Happy naman. Nandiyan po ba ang si Chef Angeles? Yun, nandiyan si Chef Angeles. At may na-discover kami ngayon palang rotating sushi dyan sa inyo. Dadalawin natin yan. Susunod naman po ay si Chef Bataan.
Bataan.
Susunod po ang Sisirap San Fernando.
Wala San Fernando.
Followed by Sisirap San Simon. And CCF Tarlac.
Tarlac.
Ito po ang ating mga satellites. Nakakain na po ba tayo? So, what's next, Maya? Ay, kapit po pala yung host. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakilala sa amin, alam niyo po ba yung Barda? Barda Gulan. Joke lang. So, Jay and Maya po, and hopefully po magkita-kita tayo lagi. Alam niyo, nakakatuwa itong mga ganitong pagkikita natin. Last time natin yun.
Yes, sir.